Hi Scott, this is a big thank you for your Live Your Legend program. To you and your team, thank you very much. This song was inspired by the program and I hope you enjoy it.
There once was a guy named Scott Dinsmore. A legend he is, that's for sure. He's helped tons of folks make connections, and for this, he has earned our affections.
Huge big thank you for all the work that you've done putting the CWA course together. It's been an awesome ride. I've learnt so much. I've met some great people and starting to make some connections in my own community.
Your strategies are awesome. My favourites being the 3-second rule, becoming memorable, and asking for referrals. I've been telling everyone about these particular ones.
I just learned a lot about connecting with people, and I think my biggest takeaway is that I want to make everyone's day.
I've learned a lot, been challenged with the coaching, and made some great connections.
Hi, Uncle Scott. Well, we just wanted to take a moment and tell you how much we appreciate you, how much we love you.
For me personally, this 12th module was the best for me because it taught me to be patient.
And as I started going through it, I realized that connection is everything. It's why we're here. So thank you.
Thank you so much for the course. It's been life-changing, literally. Just wanted to say thanks so much for your example and your message.
They helped me to make those leaps of faith. One of them was moving to San Diego, which is my dream city, a place I've always wanted to live.
I'm sure I can speak on behalf of my entire team when I say that we've all grown tremendously in such an unexpected way too.
Y bueno, simplemente queríamos decirte que gracias, Scott, por todo el material que nos das y por la inspiración que sos.
Just want to say thank you for everything that you've done and the Live Your Legend community. You're such a great role model to look up to, and I wish you all the best in 2014.
Your theories on relationships and environments just in life are truly amazing. And I'm honestly glad that I stumbled across the Live Your Legend and Connect with Anyone course.
One of my biggest takeaways as an introvert, actually, I loved that you had all this stuff for introverts.
Also, connecting us to this ecosystem, this community of support. I mean specifically people like Simon Sinek and Chris Guilbeault and Lewis Howes and Derek Sievers. These folks have these great ideas.
And the exciting news from this end is that I'm now collaborating with all 4 of the Dream Connections that I set out to simply connect with when I joined in round 1.
I wanted to say that you've been a huge inspiration for me too, and so just wanted to thank you.
I'm so happy to have you and everyone in this community. Thanks again.
And you gave me so many great ideas. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
So I'm learning to tell my story, my one song glory, for there really is no day but today. So I'll be a child at play in the garden once more. Live your legend. I knocked on the right door.
I just want to thank you, Scott, for all that you do for the Live Your Legend community. And the things that you do matter, and I feel that you're going to change the world with everything that you've done for us. Thank you.